Can you grow fresh, flavorful tomatoes in the middle of winter? Yes, you can, and I'm here to show you how. But there's one common mistake most people make that can ruin everything. If you're serious about growing tomatoes in winter, stick around to learn the steps you need to get it right the first time. Growing tomatoes in winter might seem impossible, but with the right setup and approach, you can produce fresh, delicious tomatoes all year round. Whether you're a new urban farmer or someone looking to level up your skills, this video will break it all down step by step. Your hoop house is the foundation. Set it up where it gets maximum sunlight, ideally south-facing if you're in the northern hemisphere. The hoop house traps heat, but placement is key to getting enough light during the short winter days, and don't overthink it. A 30 by 96 foot setup works great, but smaller sizes will still do the job if you're just starting out. Not every tomato can handle winter growing conditions. Pick cold-hardy varieties like Siberian or Glacier. Cherry tomatoes are another great option because they grow faster and need less time to ripen, which is perfect for winter's limited light. Tomatoes thrive in warm, nutrient-rich soil. Keep the soil temperature between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit using a soil thermometer. A layer of black plastic mulch can help trap heat and moisture, while a small heater or compost inside the hoop house provides consistent warmth. Ventilate during the day to avoid humidity buildup, which can lead to diseases like powdery mildew. Tomatoes need consistent feeding, especially in winter. Use a slow-release fertilizer and supplement with a liquid feed every 2 weeks. For watering, less is more. Overwatering in winter can lead to root rot since the soil doesn't dry out as quickly. Always check the moisture with your finger before watering. Even with a hoop house, winter sunlight often isn't enough. Invest in LED grow lights to provide 12 to 14 hours of light per day. Without enough light, your plants will grow weak and produce fewer fruits. Place the lights about 12 to 18 inches above the plants for the best results. Frost is the biggest threat to your winter tomatoes. Insulate your hoop house with bubble wrap or row covers and use a backup heater during extreme cold. To prevent disease, don't overcrowd your plants and keep the space clean. That's it. Everything you need to grow fresh, juicy tomatoes in winter is simpler than you think if you follow these steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more urban farming tips, and drop a comment below if you've got questions. Let's make this your best winter harvest yet.